Drifting unseen through the cosmic void, wandering black holes are the lost titans of the universe, silent, relentless, and waiting to be discovered. What happens when these rogue giants collide with the unknown? Wandering black holes drift silently through the cosmic void, unseen and unchained by the gravitational tethers that bind galaxies together. These rogue behemoths are thought to have been cast adrift through galactic mergers, violent ejections, or the chaotic birthplaces of the universe itself. Unlike the supermassive black holes that anchor galaxies at their cores, these wanderers are elusive travelers, lurking in the dark expanses between celestial structures, their immense gravity warping space and consuming all in their path. The origins of wandering black holes trace back to the turbulent epochs of galaxy formation. When galaxies collide, their central black holes may engage in a complex gravitational dance, merging into even larger singularities or flinging one another into the void. Some of these exiles come from smaller galaxies swallowed by titanic ones, their black holes ejected in the maelstrom of competing forces. Others originate from binary systems in which one black hole is granted a violent slingshot maneuver, hurling it away from its stellar neighborhood. These cosmic nomads remain largely undetectable unless they interact with interstellar gas or an unfortunate celestial body that strays too close. When they do, they reveal their presence in dramatic fashion, igniting the surrounding material into brilliant radiation that briefly illuminates their otherwise invisible existence. The solitude of a wandering black hole does not mean it is completely disconnected from the universe. These objects carve paths through intergalactic space, occasionally pulling along wisps of gas, small stars, or even rogue planets that were previously unnoticed. Though the density of material in these regions is significantly lower than within galaxies, the black hole's insatiable hunger ensures that any encounter with mass leads to a steady accretion. Over eons, this slow and steady feeding process can allow them to grow, albeit at a pace much slower than their galactic cousins. Some theorists speculate that clusters of wandering black holes could exist in the great cosmic voids, invisible empires of darkness that may one day coalesce into new galactic structures of their own. The journey of these wayward singularities raises profound questions about the long-term evolution of the universe. While most black holes remain bound to their galaxies, the presence of so many intergalactic wanderers suggests a hidden population that could have significant consequences for the cosmic web. Some astronomers have theorized that these lost giants may influence the formation of new galaxies, seeding dense regions of space with the gravitational foundations necessary for the birth of new stellar systems. Others argue that they may serve as interstellar hazards, capable of disrupting entire star clusters should they pass too close. With the advent of more powerful observational technologies, such as gravitational wave detectors and highly sensitive telescopes, the search for these wanderers is becoming an increasingly tantalizing frontier in astrophysics. The fate of a wandering black hole is as mysterious as its origin. Some may continue their lonely trek indefinitely, never again encountering enough matter to significantly grow or change. Others might find their way into the gravitational grasp of another galaxy, eventually settling into a new home and merging with its central black hole. In the most extreme cases, these wanderers could end up as part of a dark collision, where multiple black holes coalesce in deep space, sending out gravitational ripples that traverse the fabric of the cosmos. As our understanding of black holes deepens, the quest to uncover and study these hidden drifters remains a fascinating pursuit, one that could unlock new insights into the structure and fate of the universe itself. The universe is full of mysteries, but none are as elusive as wandering black holes. As we continue to probe the depths of space, will we unlock their secrets, or are they destined to remain hidden in the darkness forever?